Hi guys, today I will review this digital camera. I bought this from Amazon, so let's unbox it. I already unboxed it to understand how it is worked, so I will show you how to configure it and how the different configuration works. So they give a remote control to control the camera. We will see which options are what in end of this video, and that's the camera they give us. This is a 4K camera, and they're saying that this is a 4K camera, 48 megapixel, then touch screen, also Wi-Fi enabled. You can put this camera in the stand. So I'm using right now a mobile stand. I can use the stand for the camera as well, and there is a memory card slot. In there, and this is the battery, open or close. So I press this one, take the battery out. This is the battery, so they give two batteries actually. So when you plug in again, take this there, then put the battery, this one there. Okay, press it and it will stuck in there. Also, before starting video, make sure that you take the lid off, and that's the screen. It's a really good one. So when you open the screen, it will automatically start the video. Right now it started the video, and you can see the options in there. This is called busy. Busy means when it is recording, it shows the busy, and this is charging. When you get the charging, it's called charging, and it is a touch screen. For example, if I press menu, then it will give me different options, recording or something like that. And it has power on, power off button. So, and this is Wi-Fi or menu configuration. And so for example, if you select mode, you will find different options in there. So there are normal record, slow record, loop record, and time lapse. Then for the photo, normal photo, then auto picture, continue picture, time picture. And I can cross from there. This is the battery icon, and there's the battery, there's the video range there, and from there this is the mode button. You can select any mode, and from this button you can come and back like that. Similarly for the photo, same options, any option. Alright, then so for example, if I choose the video button, normal video, and I say okay, this one, it will start video. So you have to press this one, start or stop. So it will stop. Since I have no memory card, it will not start right now. I have to put the SD card in there. Alright, so this is the flashlight in here, and this is the zoom camera in there, and they have a nice cushion to handle it. Okay, so they give the power cord. This is there, so you can put this power cord in there. this one in there, and the USB goes to power. Then this one is for, as you can see, it is the camera. It gives a nice look in there. Then they give a microphone, and I really like this microphone. So you can use this microphone independently, or you can use this microphone with this one. For example, if you want to integrate this one, just put this one in there. Okay, so after that, now put these cables with here, and so make sure that your microphone is stuck. Okay, it will not move now. Then put the other one, so one cable, this one there, and other end it goes there. Okay, so it is connected with the camera right now. But if you want to use this microphone as an other device with the computer, same, just put this one with the computer or mobile phone or anywhere. And also you can control power on, power off, like now it is recording my voice. Also you can control here decibel, plus 20 decibel, 0 decibel, and -1. And to charge this battery, to charge this one, you have to use the USB that they provided to us. So this cable, okay, so this one, it is okay, I need to check. I have one hand, that's why. So you can put this one in there, and at the same time this one goes with your computer HDMI, so you can check the video from the computer with the HDMI cable. Then they give another manual for the stereo microphone. So they give actually two manuals. One is for video camera, another is for microphone, how to use it. And then they give another battery. So actually they give two batteries. This is, and I found that each battery can support around 2 or 3 hours of video. And this is the charger put in there, and this is the handle. So for example, if you want to put the handle in there, okay, let me stop it so that I can put the handle. So I'm taking this one and make sure that this one goes there. Okay, then you can move the camera. If you want to lose it, you can come back like that. So I'm tightening it in the, then you can unfold this holder. Oops, I should unfold. Okay, let me unfold it. Okay, you can unfold this one there, and they give a L angle. There is an angle in there, so like you can loose or tight the screw using the L angle. You see, this screw or this screw, you can make the angle. You can press there, but right now my finger is not okay, but there is an L angle. Alright, so the next one is that you can control this camera using Wi-Fi, and you have to install a software interface in your mobile or in computer. And I found that let's check the remote control. So if you open the screen, it will automatically turn on. So for example, if I want to take picture, so it is now picture mode right now. Then this is the video mode. Since I don't have SD card right now, it is not working. Then this is the zoom effect, as you can see. Zoom out, press hold, it will zoom out. Then menu button, you can go up, go down in the menu button. Then for the mode, you can select any mode, Wi-Fi, factory reset, or anything. Beef, light source, light frequency. They has also timer. You can use language, any date. It's good. Also, you can, this is the remote control LED light. You can turn it off from the remote control. So they give the remote control, so you can use control this camera over the mobile Wi-Fi. So if you want to hear my honest review, I can say it's a really good one for the YouTuber, for the blogger, and I found this is a satisfactory one. And you can also make for different family functions, anything fun that you want to make. If you like to purchase this item, the link is in the description, and you will see the quality of the video in the next section. Thank you so much.